Like, subscribe and click the bell icon for Raw India.
For centuries, birds, our feather friends, have fascinated us with their flying, brilliant colors, and extraordinary nesting, hunting, and migrating habits have been a mystery to us. The state of Uttar Pradesh has been bestowed with one of the best bird diversity by nature. The Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary, now known as Shahid Shekhar Azad Bird Sanctuary, is a famous bird sanctuary in the district of Unnao in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is one of the wetlands situated in northern India. The Shahid Shekhar Azad Bird Sanctuary is home to a great population of avian species and migratory birds who migrate across the Himalayas from China, Tibet, Europe, and Siberia. The sanctuary provides protection for 250 species of migratory birds. It also houses a deer park, and you can also catch a glimpse of nilgai as well. You can visit this place with your family to actually witness the flocks of migratory birds around. It is a perfect winter hangout spot for your family.
For more exploratory and fun videos, make sure you like, subscribe and click the bell icon for Raw India.